talk. Today we have Bianca, Olivia, and Jonte, and I hope you enjoyed the behind the scenes show while you waited.
Thanks for watching our first show this year. It's been a really long time since our last assembly. We hope you're all doing well.
The name of our show is TikTok, and we are excited for another year.
We have a great show planned for you today. Every TikTok assembly, we will have special guests come. Our hosts will ask them how they are respectful, responsible, safe, and caring in their lives.
Our community guest is a leader in our school district. We are excited to have Dr. Ferguson with us today.
Can you tell us about your background, growing up, school, family, and what brought you to West Des Moines?
Absolutely, and thank you all for having me. It's a pleasure to be on your show this afternoon. Again, my name is Dr. Anthony Ferguson. I serve as the Executive Director for Equity, Inclusion, and Diversity here in our school district. I was born and raised in the city of Baltimore, which is in the state of Maryland, and I've been here in Iowa for a little over 10 years now. So I came out, I went to the University of Iowa. I played football at the University of Iowa, and then I decided, it's time to move to Des Moines, and I've worked in Des Moines, and I've been in this position since August 17th of 2020, of last year.
What is your job here for?
Yep, so what's my job here in West Des Moines? That's a great question. So again, I serve as the Executive Director for Equity, Inclusion, and Diversity, and that just means in short that it's my job, a part of my job, to make sure that our school district is treating all students and community members and staff members fairly and equitably, and that everyone gets an equal chance to be great students and live up to the mission of our district.
What are some of your goals for our school district?
Yeah, my goal is for our students, when they're here, when they're in each of these buildings, to feel like they're safe, that they're at home, that they have someone that they can count on, someone that's going to help them reach their fullest potential. That's my ultimate goal.
What do you like to do outside of work?
Great question. Outside of work, I like to watch movies, Netflix. I'm a huge Netflix person, scary movies, and then also play with my dog. I just got a dog. He's about 6 months old now, so he's still a little pup, but taking him for walks when it's not so cold out.
Is there anything else you would like the Hillside community to know about your position?
Yeah, again, I am here for our students and our community members and our staff, but ultimately we are all here to be a part of your lives and to help you all be great and do wonderful things. So please, if you need anything, if you just want to talk, I'm a resource. I'm certainly here to help.
Now please welcome our etiquette experts, Liliana and Evelyn.
Hello, Hillsiders. I'm Liliana.
And I'm Evelyn.
And
we're the etiquette experts.
And we're here to remind you to be respectful, responsible,
safe,
and caring. Make sure to not talk while others are talking and to have eye contact so they know you're listening.
Always keep your hands to yourself and be in crisscross applesauce or body basics. That's all for now.
Thank you for that important etiquette lesson. Up next, we have some 6th grade orchestra members to play us a song.
That was really cool. Thank you. You are all very talented. This week week we have been celebrating kindness. Dr. Jones takes some of your ideas and lay out into the community to spread random acts of kindness. Check out his video.
All right, Hillside, so excited on our way to the next stop. And Mrs. Willenborg's class came up with a great idea to brighten up someone's day by delivering some flowers. And I think I know just the person, Miss Janet Lloyd, who helps us with our Optimist Club. So let's go see if we can brighten her day with some flowers. Let's see if she's home. Well, hello, Miss Lloyd. How are you? It's Dr. Jones from Hillside, and we thought we would try to brighten your day with some flowers.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for everything you and the optimists that you do for our fourth graders and for Hillside, helping us all the time. So,
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
excellent. Well, have a great day. All right, off to our next. Mrs. Fackler's class had a great idea to buy some donuts and take them to some of our favorite police officers here in West Des Moines. And Mrs. Krause's class also thought it'd be a great idea to pay it forward and pay for somebody's coffee before they get there. So we're off to Dunkin' Donuts. Good afternoon. I would like to pick up a dozen assorted donuts, please. A little money towards the next person. Okay, is there any way I can just put some money towards it? All right. So that'll be for mine, and then a little bit of money to help out, pay it forward for the next person. Hillside, we're out doing random acts of kindness today. All right, Hillside, our random acts of kindness day. We are so lucky to always have the West Des Moines Police Department helping us out. We know Officer Cuevas, who helps us over at Hillside, and we have some other officers that are always doing good for our community. So, Mrs. Fackler's class said, let's deliver some donuts from Dunkin' Donuts to our favorite police officers. So on behalf of Hillside, here are some donuts and some treats, and we appreciate everything that you do for our community. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thanks, Billy.
Thank you.
Thanks.
All right, Hillside, our next stop is the Learning Resource Center. This is where many leaders in our school district are working on things to help all of our students and families in West Des Moines. And Miss Hirsch's class thought it might be kind of fun to leave some positive notes on some cars. So we thought, why don't we go on over to the Learning Resource Center so all of our school employees know how important they are. All right, Hillside, our next stop is to deliver, well, kind of close to what Mrs. Tallman's class wanted. Those of you may know Mrs. Fredericks, one of our teachers, has a new baby in the house. And so Mrs. Tallman thought, let's make a meal and deliver it to her. However, I don't think anybody wants to eat Dr. Jones's cooking. So we decided to get a gift card so they can go out and get the perfect meal for them. So we're going to just drop this off, but we don't want to wake the baby. All right, our next stop, Mrs. Lewis's class thought it'd be a good idea to donate some clothes to Goodwill. And so we thought that would be a great idea to help those people that are in need. So we're here at Goodwill Industries to donate some clothes for anyone that needs them. All right, next random act of kindness, Mrs. Waters' class said, hey, maybe we should donate to some of our free libraries here in the Valley Junction area. So we found one, gonna put a few of our favorite books into the free library. All right. Happy reading. All right, next random act of kindness, Mrs. Samuelson's class talked about helping shovel some cars. So on our way by, we saw these cars need a little snow removed so that they can get out of their driveway. All right. right, help them out a little bit.
Hello?
Hi, Mom. It's Graham. How are you?
Oh, hi. What's up?
How's your day going?
Pretty good. Just watching some Judge Judy.
All right. Well, I really just wanted to call to tell you that I love having you as a mom, and it's great to talk to you when I get the chance, and just really appreciate all the things that you've done for me.
Well, thanks a lot. I think you've done an awful lot on your own, but it's always nice to be appreciated.
All right. Well, I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
All right. Take care.
Okay, love you.
All right, and that was from Miss George's class, to call someone and tell them how much they mean to you. So that was my mom, and I love her dearly. All right, Miss Henderson's class, who said share one of my favorite things with some different people. So those people that know me know that I love Snickers bars, so we drew 17 students that will be getting one of my favorite things, and I'm gonna put them in your teacher's mailbox, and you'll get a sweet little treat from Dr. Jones. All right, Mrs. Cleve's class said they wanted to give a sweet little treat and some water to our favorite head custodian, Mr. Alear. So this is from Mrs. Cleve's class for all that you do here at Hillside.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, so another great idea for kindness. Mrs. Logan, Mrs. Halverson, and Mrs. Gilmore said donate some food. Well, we're in luck because the kindergarten and preschool teams decided to add some food to a food drive and donate for people in need. So they're at 190 cans of food. We're gonna add 10 more to put them over all the way to 200. Thanks preschool and kindergarten for this food drive. All right, Mrs. Schutz and Mrs. Frazier's class said, let's pick up some trash that's not mine, and just to help our school community. So I thought I'd walk around and find little pieces of trash, might help out Mr. Sam and Miss Grace on my way through the school. All right, there's one I can definitely get. There's another one. All right.
Keep the kindness going. Up next, we have our special activity for all you. We're going to have a trivia contest.
Whoa, that sounds fun. How is that going to work?
Every class has a trivia sheet, and you will work together to answer the questions. Teachers, remember to not help and no using Google. The class in the hallway with the highest points will earn something special.
To get your brains warmed up, here's an example of a question. How many cents are in the order?
If you thought it was 25 cents, you are correct. After the show, please work together to complete the trivia questions as a class.
We are now ready for Dr. Jones to read the names of our Success Award winners.
All right, so we have quite a few Success Award winners, so I'm going to read the names of all the students to be recognized on-site and online from their teachers this time for respect, responsibility, safety, and caring. So starting in preschool in Mrs. Felt's class, in her AM class, we have Kenzie Chapman and Abel Jones and Bryson Gower. In Mrs. Felt's PM class, we have Hansel Adams, Lincoln Sayavanchan, and Lucy Morgan. Congrats to those preschoolers. In kindergarten, Miss Hirsch's class, Julieta Berber Rodriguez, Scarlett Brobst, Jackson Cook, Soren Dunbar, Evie Hosak, Vanachai Cucho, Nora Jeffries, Jordan Valdez, Easton Williams, and Devin DeWitt. Congrats to those kindergartners. In Mrs. Logan's class, Kennedy Lundquist, Blakely Duncan, Lincoln Breen, Chance Meyer, Ivy Willis, Harmony Fetch, and Colt Fletcher Boggs. And in Mr. Harrington's class online, Kalisha Palmer, Shri Guran Sankar, Ashika Bansal, Kaylin Hill, and Adrian Berber Castro. Congratulations to all those kindergarten friends. In first grade, Mrs. Frazier, Aria Acharia, JJ Berber Rodriguez, Colton Griffey, Annette Puentes, Paul Biolici, Lyric Jones, and Olivia Chapman. In Mrs. Lewis's class, Tessa Bullard, Lucas Russell, Harley Reed, Nathan Mendoza, Elia Nava Perez, Caden Green, and Quentin Hayes. In Mrs. Willenborg's online class, Rowan Keller, Niharika Rahungut, Rosalie Drahos, Elijah Stokes, Yelimar Martinez, Lubna Dow, and Tony Spencer. In second grade, Mrs. Halverson, Cora Jackson, Harper Gabbard, Emmanuel Cucho, Rafael Lydia, Emeka Bates, Kristen Kendrick, and Ian Kent. In Mr. Bixler's class, Erica Hoover, Annabelle Frederici, Jace Haynes, Carlos Miranda, Ariana Kimberly, Sierra Sines, and Dominic Oliver. In Mrs. Henderson's class, Maria Pimentel Berber, Ryan Harvey, Samuel Zanwanja, Eliza Silva, Mika Soy Win, Xavier Bender, and Annabelle Plummer. In Mrs. Beer's online class, Kritika Jambalkar, Himani Aki, Charvi Meshram, CJ Carmichael, Rusty Carmichael, Devon Kramarty, and Rakshia Malia. And in third grade, Mrs. Dolan's online class, Annabeth Augsburger, Evelyn Van Dorsel, Memo Ochoa, Devion Subedi, Jana Westbrook, Alexander Perez, and Aaron Corabandi. In Mrs. Fackler's third grade class, Jocelyn Gibson, Eric Perdomo, Subina Dakal, Caitlin Owen, Sophia Welch, Jameson Shaw, and Brianna Regoza. And in Mrs. Schutz's third grade class, Roman Morenzi, Katie Melling, Alex Cush, Cassidy Russell, Kingston Williams, Harper Carter, and Mohammed Kante. Nice job to all of those preschool, kindergarten, first, second, and third graders. And finally, we pulled some punch cards for some Hillside backpacks. Very nice backpacks that we have. And the punch card winners, Noah in Miss Hirsch's class, Elijah in Mrs. Willenborg's class, Cora H. in Mrs. Halverson's class, and Bryn Fallen in Mrs. Schutz's class. So congrats for those backpack winners.
Congratulations to all of you who have received a Success Award. That is all we have for today. I'm Olivia Welch.
I'm Jonte Brooks.
And I'm Bianca Scotland. We hope you all have a great day. And remember, at Hillside, we are always
Respectful,
Responsible,
safe, and
caring.
Be awesome today.